What's happening, you guys? If your turn signals are not blinking, but they do come on, they're just not flashing, check under the dash. This is a Chevrolet 1500 Silverado. I'm sure this is the same on many GM trucks and possibly cars as well. Look under your dash here. And that relay, hold on, this relay on the left here, that guy right there, is the relay for the flasher. And it could just need repositioning, maybe needs replacing. You know, if it's just not seated properly, your turn signals might not flash. I was underneath there doing all kinds of work recently, you know, to the parking brake and whatnot, and I must have bumped that relay because then my turn signals were not flashing anymore, and I was saying, what the heck, you gotta be kidding me. As you see right there, not flashing, so you have to go underneath. Give it a little bump, and they start flashing again. So that relay might need replacing. Hard to say, really, but that's all it was. So I'm sure there are plenty of GM vehicles that have the same relay down there. You know, it's just under your dashboard to the left. Check that. It might be that simple. Subscribe, like, follow, blah, blah, blah. We got all kinds of videos and whatnot for this truck that might help you. 1988 to 1998 Chevy trucks, full-size trucks. Been doing all kinds of, you know, fixing up and whatnot to this thing. So check out my other videos. You might see some things that'll help you as well. Talk to y'all later.